We've received a thunderous response from all of you on what to do with your leftover wine. And in particular, how to make wine vinegar. Step 1, take your bottle of leftover wine and basically pour it into a large jar. Once you've poured it out in the jar, you also want to give it a quick swirl. Next, you take a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth, something really thin. And what you need then is a rubber band to just kind of secure this cloth. And that's really it. All you then need to do is take this jar to some dark, warm place in your home and keep it there undisturbed for 2 to 3 weeks. Okay guys, it's been 3 weeks and hopefully this wine vinegar is now ready. So I'm going to take off this muslin cloth and take a sniff. Yeah, it's definitely vinegar. And now this vinegar is ready to use. You can use it in your salads, stews, sauces, marinades, dips, and it's gonna add a really crunchy sort of punch to all your foods. So go ahead and enjoy.